Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a easy chicken curry in a pressure cooker. This curry can be served along with rice, chapati or even with the idli and dosa. Let's get started. Heat a pressure cooker and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Once it is hot, add a small stick of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 3 cardamom, a little bit of black stone flour, 2 bay leaves and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Fry them well for a few seconds and then I'm going to add 15 chopped shallots. Instead of shallots, you can also add finely chopped onion. Saute them well for at least a minute. And then I'm going to add a little bit of curry leaves. Adding curry leaves gives a very nice flavor to the curry. Once the onion has been sauteed well, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute them till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. Now I'm going to add 2 chopped medium-sized tomatoes. Cook till the tomatoes becomes mushy. Once the tomatoes has been cooked to soft, I'm going to add salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. You can adjust the quantity of chili powder according to your taste level, and after adding all the spice powders, mix it well and you have to cook them till the raw smell goes off and you should notice oil oozing out from the sides. It's been cooked well now. Time to add the chicken. I have washed 500 grams of chicken and I'm going to add all the pieces now. Mix it well and let the chicken get cooked along with the masala for 2 minutes. Chicken has been cooked along with the masala. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd. Adding curd will make the chicken softer. After adding curd, give it a good mix. And then I'm going to add a cup of water. After adding water, give it a mix and let it come to boil. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes. In the meantime, we'll prepare a fresh masala. In a mixer jar, add 2 tablespoons of coconut pieces and 5 to 6 cashew nuts and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add little water and grind it to a fine paste. Chicken curry has been boiling well for around 5 minutes now. I'm going to add the ground masala paste to this curry. Give it a mix and you can add water according to your preference of consistency. I'm going to add around 1 cup of water. If you want your curry to be even thicker, you can reduce the quantity of water. After adding the water, let it come to boil and then close the lid of the pressure cooker. Once the steam is out, put on the weight and reduce the heat to the lowest possible and cook it for 5 whistles. The cooking time varies based on the tenderness of the chicken, so adjust the time accordingly. I have cooked it for 5 whistles now. Let's open and have a look. The chicken has been cooked to soft. And finally, I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves. And that's all. Such a super easy and very aromatic pressure cooker style chicken curry is now ready. Do give this recipe a try at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.